Good morning, sir. This tournament is conducted every year. This is our fifth edition of the Staff Intercollegiate Football Tournament. This year, total 8 teams are taking part from Goa. That is the University 2 teams, Rosary College 2 teams, then MES St Andrews. Then we have Carmel College, and then we have Government College Bodda playing this tournament. And in the evening we'll be playing. This is a league tournament. In the evening there will be finals of this tournament.